Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Continuing with chapter 4. So far, we are in the third of the fourth section, Al-Asma ul-Amila, the nouns that govern. We have talked about Asma ul-Shartiya, Asma Ism Fa'il, and related Ism al-Balagha. We have already talked about Ism Maf'ud and As-Sifatu Mushabbahatu bi Ism Fa'il. And we talked about last time Ism Tafdil. Today, inshallah, we shall talk about Al-Masdar. Okay, Al-Masdar. So that's, inshallah, is the topic of the day. And this is on page 134, section 4.3.6, page 134 of my textbook, Al-Masdar. The masdar is, in English, the infinitive or the verbal noun. Infinitive or the verbal noun, the name of the work. It's like nam kakam, right? Infinitive and beyond, masdar and beyond. Okay, so let's talk about this. The definition of a masdar. It is that noun which refers to the action indicated by the corresponding verb without any reference to time. Okay, it is that noun. Okay, it is a noun. It is that noun. Okay, which refers, okay, to the action indicated by the corresponding word, action indicated by the corresponding verb, indicated by the corresponding verb, okay, without, okay, without reference, okay, without reference to time. So there's no time element to it. Okay, so it's basically the name of the action. Nam kaka. Okay, it is the root of all derived words. Okay, and then we know this from before. It is part of the definition. It is the root. Okay, it is the root of all derived words, fi'l and nouns. Okay, mushtaqun, remember? Mushtaqatun, mushtaqatun. The plural is mushtaqatun. Mushtaqatun. Remember the nouns with three types. Mushtaqun with a okay, masdars. Okay, mushtaqatun. Okay, the derived words are called mushtaqatun. Okay, so what is the effect of masdar? How, when masdar is used in a sentence, what's the effect? It has the same effect as that of its verb, that it gives raf'un to the fa'il and nasbun to the maf'ul. Okay, it has the same effect as that of its verb. So it functions, it has like verb functions. Okay, that is, okay, it gives raf'un to its fa'il. Okay, it's raf'un to its fa'il, and it gives nasbun to its maf'ul. Okay, so that's what it does. Alright, so, alright, maf'ul bihi, of course. Maf'ul bihi. Okay, so let's give an example of this. رأيت الضرب اليوم زيد بكرا. So let me write this. رأيت, okay, رأيت, I saw. Okay, now here's the masdar, see? ضربا ضرب يضرب ضربا. Okay, ضربا. Okay, اليوم. Okay, زيد بكرا. Okay, بكرا. Here we go. Today I saw Zaid beating Bakr. So today I saw Zaid beating Bakr. Okay, and رأيت. Okay, this is فعل فاعل, and so this is رأيت. So this is I saw. So this is acting as a fi'l, see, and it's going to make this is the file, and that's the maf'ul bihi. Okay, so this is the file for the darban, and for the darban, and this is the maf'ul bihi for the darban. Okay, so it's making the fi'l and the file raf'un, and the maf'ul bihi for the darban is that. Okay, now this is like almost like a sentence inside of a sentence. Okay, so because yoma is like maf'ul at the time, zarf, right? There's another extra, but this is fi'l fa'il, and this is maf'ul bihi. Okay, and then this is another sentence inside a sentence with the masdar with its fi'l, and it is fa'il. Okay, so that's how I understand this. Okay, they don't actually analyze a sentence in here, but all right. So let's go on. So they don't do a sentence analysis, so we don't know how that's actually going to work. But let's keep on. The usage. So they got the usage. How is it used? Okay, masdar is generally used in the following two ways. Masdar, okay, is generally used in the following two ways. There's only two ways. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. Number one, they don't say number one and two. I'll put number one and two as a mudaf to its fa'il. Okay, as a mudaf. Okay, to its fa'il. Mudaf to its fa'il. That's kind of funky, huh? As a mudaf to its fa'il. Okay, let's give an example of this. كرهت كرهت كرهت. Okay, ضرب زيد ضرب زيد بكرا كرهت. Okay, I disliked Zayd's beating of Bakr. Okay, I disliked Zayd's beating of Bakr. Okay, so here see كرهت ضرب زيد. So this is darba because this is fi'l fa'il, this is like maf'ul for this, right? Darba Zaydin. Okay, so this is mudaf to its file. So this mudaf, so it's here it's acting as a mudaf ilay. Zaydin is mudaf ilay. This is a mudaf. Okay, mudaf ilay like this, right? كرهت ضرب زيد. Okay, as a mudaf to its file. ضرب زيد. Alright, number two. That's all they say on there. And as a mudaf to its maf'ul bihi. That's interesting. That's all it says. That's interesting. Only two use it like this. As a mudaf, okay, to its maf'ul bihi. Okay, as a mudaf to its maf'ul bihi. That's easy enough to remember at least. Okay, so كرهت ضرب بكر زيد. كرهت darba, darba bakrin. Okay, darba bakrin zaidun. Okay, I dislike Zaid beating a Bakr. Okay, they mean the same thing. Okay, so here it's mudaf to its mudaf. So here it's mudaf to its maf'ul bihi. Okay, so this is mudaf ilayh, and it's mudaf to its maf'ul bihi, like this. Okay, so that's it, and that's actually this section over here. It's a short section, so just review this and then we'll go on inshallah to the next section. Al-masdar, infinitive verbal noun, defined as a noun which refers to the action indicated by the corresponding word without reference to time. It is the root of all derived words. The derived words are called mushtaqatun. Effect is at the same effect as that of its verb. That is, it makes fa'il raf'un and it makes its maf'ul bihi nasban. Okay. Ra'aytu darban al-yawma Zaydun bakran. Okay. Today I saw Zayd beating Bakr. Okay. And it's really what masdar is generally used in the following two ways. It's used as a mudaf to its file or a mudaf to its maf'ul bihi. It's used as a mudaf to its file, a mudaf to its maf'ul bihi. Okay, so that's done. Now we can go on to the next section, which is al-mudaf. Okay, after this we'll have two more sections and completed. Al-mudaf and then al-ism tam and kinayat, and they'll complete the section. So we just complete the masdar, and now we're going to al-mudaf. Okay, so let's do that. So mudaf, this is 4.3.7, page 135. So let's talk about al-mudaf. Okay. In the case of, there's no definition here. They just say, in the case of mudaf, it is assumed that one of the following preposition is hidden between the mudaf and the mudaf ilayh. Okay, it's interesting. Okay. In the case of mudaf, okay, in the case of mudafun, okay, it is assumed, okay, let us say, it is assumed. That seems like an important word. It is assumed, okay, that one of the following prepositions, that is huruf al-jarrin, hurufu jarrin, like this, huruf jarrin, is hidden, assumed. I should put the preposition actually in red too. Prepositions, okay, is hidden between, okay, between mudaf and mudaf, between mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Okay, between mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so there's only three: min, fi, and li. Okay, so that's good enough. So this is like a point. Okay, so it's min, all right, and then there's fi, and there is li. All right, so let's see if we can put all of them in here. Min, right? When the mudaf is a part or type of a jins of the mudaf ilayh. Okay, when the mudaf, okay, is part, okay, or type, a part or a type, jinsun, there would be a fancy word here, jinsun, part, okay, of the mudaf ilayh, of mudaf ilayh. Okay, so in other words, is mudaf is part of the mudaf ilayh, like this. Okay, it's part of it. Okay, khatamu. Example. Okay, example is khatamu fiddatin. Okay, khatamu fidda. Fiddatin. Okay, silver ring. Okay, khatamun min fiddatin. Okay, so it is like a ring from silver. Okay, it's so this is basically saying there is a min in here. So khatamu min fiddatin, like this, which would be like ring from silver, right? It's made from silver. Okay, ring from silver, like that. Khatamu min fiddatin. Okay, so that's one. Okay, and then fi. Okay, fi. When the mudaf ilayh is a darf. Okay, when the mudaf ilayh when the mudaf ilayh is a zarf. Okay, when the mudaf ilayh is zarf. Okay, salatul layli. Okay, example. So, darf is time and place, right? Salatu. Oh, come on. Salatul. Okay. Layli. Salatul layli. Okay. Because it okay. Salatul layli. Okay. Mudaf ilayh here is a zarf. Okay, which means zarf is like time or place, right? In this case, it's time. Okay, so mudaf ilayh is a zarf. Okay, salatu fil layli. So this is basically like salatu fil layli, like that. Okay, so when it is a zarf, that is time. It has to do with time or place. Okay, so when the mudaf ilayh is a time or place. Okay, so we got that. Pretty cool. Come on, let's see, do this right. Time or place. And finally, li. Okay, I was hoping to get that squeezed in, but I don't want to. It's fine. Li. When it is neither of the above. I don't know how many circumstances that would be. When it is neither of the above. Okay, that is, it's not like part of this, and it's not time or place. It's not zarf. Okay, time or mudaf ilayhi is not zarf. Okay, mudaf ilayhi is, if it's not one of these two situations, then you assume that there's a li hidden inside. So, for example, Ibn Zaydin. Ibn Zaydin. Okay, Zaydin. Ibn Zaydin. So this is son of Zayd. Okay, Ibnun li Zaydin, like that. Okay, So when it's not part of, he's not like part of him, right? And it's not like time or place, right? So mudaf. So that's actually this section here. So this section was about mudaf and how, because it affects mudaf ilayh, right? So it's ism amila, right? So mudaf, in the case of mudaf, assume that one of the following preposition huruf al-jar is hidden between mudaf and mudaf ilayh, min, fi, and li. Okay, I'll just write them here. Okay, min, fi, or li. Those three are hidden. Let's assume those three are hidden. Min, when the mudaf is part of, I'll just number these 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, okay, and then 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So min, when mudaf is a part of or jins of mudaf ilayh, okay, like this. Khatamu fiddatin, okay, silver ring. Khatamu's ring, fidda is silver. Okay, khatamu min fiddatin, because ring from silver. Okay, fi, if mudaf ilayh is a zarf. Okay, salatul layli. Okay, salatu fil layli. Okay. All right. So, and finally, if it's neither, mudaf ilayh is not a component. Mudaf is not a component of mudaf ilayh, and if it's mudaf ilayh is not a time or a place. Okay. So it's, in this case, it's like mudaf ilayh is a time or place. Mudaf ilayh. So if it's not a mudaf, it's not a time or place, then it's li. Okay, when it's neither of the above. Ibn Zaydin, Ibn li Zaydin, son for Zayd. Okay, so that's how it goes. So there's only 3 hidden things that are assumed, and that is the reason why it's majrur. Again, because they're all huruful jar. There's a hidden huruful jar in between mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So the basic point of this is that there is a hidden huruful jar in mudaf ilayh. There is a hidden harf jar between mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. That's mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so that's the big point picture. Okay, that does it for us today. Inshallah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.